Hello, I'm Moshe, and today I'm going to play transposing sequence in E minor, going by a whole step up. Keys will be E minor, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, B flat minor, C minor, D minor, and E minor. Chords will be tonic, secondary dominant 4-2 chord of subdominant, and subdominant 6 chord. Thank you and good luck!